Hey guys, welcome to the Criminal Lineup. We are an independent YouTube channel that chronicles interesting history, mystery, and crime stories. If you would like the video and subscribe to the channel, it would be greatly appreciated. Now, let's get started with the video. Invented in 2013, the Ring doorbell camera has gone on to become a staple in thousands of households across the United States. It is ideal for home security, with its capability of recording any motion detected in the area it is placed, whether the intentions are good or bad. With almost a decade of footage, there have been numerous creepy encounters captured from the users. In this episode of the Criminal Lineup, we are going to take a look at a couple creepy instances of Ring doorbell footage. Number 1. On November 12, 2019, around 11 p.m., in the small Los Angeles neighborhood of Leimert Park, a disturbing incident was caught on a Ring doorbell camera. In the footage, you can hear the gut-wrenching screams of a woman pleading for someone to help her. The owners of the doorbell camera quickly walked onto their porch to check out the commotion. Moments later, a white hatchback was captured speeding down the street with the trunk open. As the vehicle sped off, the woman who was kidnapped continued to desperately scream for help. It is speculated he left the trunk open as to not reveal his license plate number. That night, LAPD spent hours canvassing the southern Los Angeles neighborhood. They went door to door on 3rd Avenue near Obama Boulevard to see if anyone had additional footage or tips to help with the investigation. A few neighbors who witnessed the kidnapping told police that a man and woman were arguing in a car parked on the street.
The guy was telling her something like, "Oh, I'm sorry. I told you I was sorry." And she just kept screaming for help. And then that's when he kind of like just took her and just drove off.
Later on, the police released information that the car was a white 2003 to 2008 Toyota Matrix with black rims. No other information has been released, and anyone with information is told to call the Los Angeles Police Department. Number 2. This next video was posted to Reddit from a user's Ring doorbell camera. In the wee hours of the night, a man was awoke from the barking of his dog. Upon waking, he realized he had just received an alert from his doorbell camera app. It stated that there was motion at his front door. At first, he had thought maybe it was a car driving by. But to his surprise, when he checked his security camera, he was greeted by a disheveled man with his eye directly in the view of the camera, whispering and mumbling to himself. The unknown intruder then knocked on the door and rang the doorbell. He continued to whisper and mumble while he checked to see if the door and windows were open.
Okay, I was just looking for my dog, Fido.
The Reddit user's wife is then heard telling the man she is calling the police.
Don't have to get all like that and stuff.
The stranger proceeded to tell her he is just looking for his dog Fido, and saying, "You know we could be friends," before disappearing in the night.